Now, weather with Storm Surge 7 meteorologist Tony Durda.
Good afternoon, everybody. Both temperature and winds are rising up this afternoon and going into levels probably where we don't want to go, certainly as far as the winds. We have a red flag warning now in effect for the south central, southwest parts of the Texas Panhandle. And that, of course, means dry conditions, strong winds, the elevated fire concerns. So we definitely want to be careful out there not to get any grass fire started. Be very, very careful if you are working outside, and certainly avoid any type of combustion. Right now, temperatures upper 50s to near 60 degrees across the central Panhandle, parts of Amarillo. 58 right now downtown Amarillo, and we're looking at the high winds as so far today, the little yellow numbers here. So winds already approaching 30 miles an hour in a lot of locations, and they're just going to stay strong throughout the afternoon. That red flag warning in effect from noon until 7 p.m. We should start to see a decline in winds towards this evening. So the strongest winds will be between noon and 6 o'clock most of the afternoon, pretty gusty. South side of town, temperatures again upper 50s and winds already above 20. 58 at Bonham, winds 18 miles an hour so far. Brant Farms, 59 degrees and winds above 30 miles an hour. Off to the northwest, Stratford 63, Cactus about 60 degrees, winds quite not as strong what I'm trying to say up here, but Fain Plant there at 55 and a peak wind so far of 32. So some locations getting pretty breezy. Robert Clark Ranch at 58, Spearman at 57, and winds again gusting here above 20 miles an hour in some spots. Over to the southeast, Wellington at 60 degrees, Clarendon at 62, Childress 64, getting a little breezy there as well. Silverton right now 64, peak winds so far at 25. And across to the southwest, Hereford 61 degrees, 60 in Friona, and peak wind gusts at Lasbuddy already 32 miles an hour. And again, Brant Farms near Umbarger, 59 degrees, very low dew point there at 19. Southwest winds at 12, but seeing a peak wind gust already so far today at 60 miles an hour. Let's get you set up with other temperatures around the region. Our regional and satellite radar composite map. And you can see already in Amarillo, we're up to 58 degrees here officially, 60 up in Dodge City, 59 in Oklahoma City. And down south, we got some showers and a few thunderstorms there. The lower Rio Grande Valley, that's good news. Need some rain down there as well. Right now, fairly dry here. Just have some upper level clouds, some higher elevation clouds, very thin clouds, still allowing some sunshine through. And with that, we will see some pretty warm conditions for the remainder of this afternoon. Computer model forecast shows that trough low pressure out to our west, and of course that has the winds going southwest later on, 15 to 25, but for most of the afternoon 20 to 30, high of 68 degrees. Overnight that trough will sneak on through, go down to about 38 with some clouds and still some wind overnight west to southwest at 15 to 25. And then this cold front comes on through. Initially not a lot of cold air with it. We'll get pretty chilly tomorrow night. And temperatures will drop through the afternoon hours tomorrow after a high of about 65, about 55 by 5 o'clock, and north winds taking over 10 to 20 miles per hour. This front looks to be coming in without precipitation. So pretty warm and windy for the remainder of today. Those southwest winds pretty gusty, 68 in Amarillo, 70 in Canyon, and southwest winds 20 to 30. Overnight about 38 degrees with some cloud cover and still some wind at 15 to 25 out of the west, and most locations upper 30s too, of about 40 degrees. And then Wednesday, a little bit cooler, 53 with some mixture of clouds and sunshine. And Thursday looks a little bit better for rainfall. So we're watching that right now, some light showers possible.
Good, we need some rain.
We, in fact, do. I don't know if we need to see a grandmother on a zip line, but
Sure.
that's what we're about to see along